My name is Lampani Nagarsia. I am from beautiful area of Kor, but I'm here. I'm the USPSC Vice President. One question I would like to raise this morning in regards to the consumer rights, and I'm here on behalf of the Fijian students here in the country. I would just like to raise when and why grants still holding for students here at USP, and especially to us Fijian students. We are affected with the holding of grant. And so from your office, I would like to know, I would like to share my students, our students, on when and why will this grant be released to the students, to the USP. Thank you, sir.
Fijian students who are currently on tails and toppers are still getting paid. The USP still gets the money. Let's not stop saying that they knew. I mean, obviously, everybody gets the grant. But as you would, I'm sure, acknowledge that none of the students have not had their fees paid. If they're under TELS, we are paying the fees, even though they study at USP. If they're getting toppers, we're still paying them. In fact, over $100 million has been paid to USP in recent times. So you're not affected by that. The grant has been stopped because Fiji is the largest grant contributor as a member country to USP. There are certain financial anomalies that does exist. It is already very well documented. And the Fijian government's position is that that needs to be independently investigated. If people have nothing to hide, they would not hesitate to have an investigation. Period. Very simple. If there is nothing to hide, why not have that independently investigated? Not by us, a third party, independent accounting firm, whatever it is. And once they've cleared that, once they've found the anomalies, we'll release the grant. No problem. It's very simple.
Us now from doing that investigation.
It's up to the council to do it. The council is refusing to do it. You on the council. You know that. They don't do it. Keep that in the council. The ball is in your court.